What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be chatting about the countries that you can actually go to and get a visa on arrival. So there's countries that you actually have to go ahead of time to apply for the visas, like, for example, China, Sri Lanka, India, Australia is one of them, Canada is another one. You can't just show up and we'll give you your visa. You have to apply for it ahead of time. There's actually a lot of them in the United States. But today we're going to be talking about countries you can go to. Just show up and they'll be like, oh, hey, welcome to the country. Boom. Stamp your passport and you're in for 30 days. I'm going to take you back home. I'm going to throw on the computer and I'm going to show you exactly which countries you can just, I want to decide to go there today. And you'll be able to just enter the country because you get a visa on arrival, which is sweet. All right, to the computer. Okay, guys, so this is a list of all of the countries that you can go to that are visa on arrival. There's a lot more than I originally thought. For example, like there's an entire section for Asia, Africa, South America, North America, the oceanic regions, and, well, pretty much all of European colonies need a pre-approved visa, though. However, Croatia, Germany, and Ireland, there's quite a lot of European countries you can kind of just fly into and get stamped, too. So keep that in mind. Anyways, let's check these out. Here, let's start with Asia. So you can go to Thailand, Bhutan, Cambodia, Maldives, Macau, Indonesia. Iraq should not be on there. I'm pretty sure that you need a visa for Iraq. Nepal, you can actually just show up to Nepal, Laos, Jordan, and I don't know what the last one is, to be honest with you. And then in Africa, there's a bunch of names I'm not going to be able to pronounce, but you can take a look at them. Togo, Kenya, Ethiopia, Madagascar, Uganda, Cape Verde. Alright, and that's today's quick little Travel Tip Tuesday video for you. I'm actually going to try to make these Travel Tip Tuesday videos 2 minutes long. So it'll be like 2-minute Travel Tip Tuesdays. This one might be a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but from now on, my goal is to try to make 2-minute Travel Tip Tuesdays so you can jump on, watch these videos, and get super cool value in like 2 minutes and then apply them to your life. Alright guys, that's the end of this Travel Tip Tuesday video. I'll see you next time, hopefully on Thursday, where we're doing an interview with another organ transplant recipient and their life after transplant. Until next time, guys, pip pip cheerio. Oh, check me out on Instagram at Jordan D. Marcia and follow me along with my daily adventures. Okay, now we're going to end. Pip pip cheerio, guys. Bye.